If you're shopping for kids furniture right now, you're about to make one of 3 mistakes. You'll buy based on price and regret it in 3 months. You'll buy based on looks and you'll realize it can't handle a real kid. Or you'll overpay with something that's just average quality and fancy branding. So here's what furniture companies don't tell you and what you need to know before you buy some.
Most kids furniture fails for 3 specific reasons. First, joint construction. Budget tables use simple screw joints that loosen over time. Every time your child climbs on it, and they will, those joints shift. That's why it starts wobbling after a few weeks. Quality furniture uses reinforced construction that can handle dynamic weight without loosening. Second, the surface material. Pine and MDF are porous. That means paint, food, and liquids sink into the grain. You can scrub it, but the stain is permanent. That's not a cleaning problem, it's a material problem. And third, weight distribution. Lightweight furniture tips easily. Kids don't sit still, they lean, they climb, they push. Furniture needs actual mass and a lower center of gravity to stay stable.
So what should you actually look for? Weight capacity over 100 kilos. If a manufacturer won't tell you the weight limit, that's a red flag. It means it wasn't tested. You want something rated for adult weight, not because you'll sit on it, but because it proves the structural integrity is there. You should look for non-porous materials. This is critical. Non-porous means liquids can't penetrate. Wipe clean isn't a feature, it's a material property. If the surface is sealed wood or coated, it will eventually chip or peel. You want something where the material itself is non-absorbent. And lastly, minimal assembly or fully assembled. Every joint you assemble yourself is a potential failure point. The best furniture is either one solid piece or has industrial grade assembly you can't undo accidentally.
This is what it looks like when furniture meets those standards. These are 2 collections we designed at Jellybean Interiors, the confetti set and the pick and mix collection. Different aesthetics, but both built to the same specifications. 150 kilo weight capacity, that's adult weight. Tested LDPE plastic construction, non-porous at a molecular level. Nothing soaks in because there are no pores to penetrate. Fully assembled, one solid piece, no joints to loosen, no screws to tighten, no assembly to mess up. You can choose based on your style. Either the confetti or the pick and mix can be colourful or neutral. But either way, you're choosing furniture based to those principles.
Here's the math that matters. A $79 table that needs replacing every year costs you $395 over 5 years. Plus the time, stress, and frustration. Quality furniture that lasts through multiple kids costs more upfront, but less over time. And more importantly, you're not saying no to messy play. You're not consistently tightening screws. You're not replacing furniture. This isn't about spending more, it's about spending once.
Whether you're choosing Jellybean or another brand, now you know what to look for.
Weight capacity, non-porous materials, and a solid construction.
If you want to see how we've applied these principles, click below to explore the confetti and pick and mix collections.
Compare them with anything else you're considering, but we're confident in what we've built.